But then I realized now that the other day I started getting a whole heap of spam messages. Even though I'm still getting hundreds of spam messages within seconds. And then I realized that I go on Amazon and I'm preparing to get stuff for Kai because Kai's birthday is coming and I'm planning his birthday party. And I have
a crazy thing going on in the world right now, you know, because we were just driving through central Kingston.
Yeah.
And me see the barricade them, the police barricade, because I have some Zozo in a central Kingston now because of the number of murders that are going down at the part there, you know?
Yeah.
So,
crazy.
I look on it and I say, is Jamaica fighting a war?
We are.
We're really going, like, what the man them a fight for? What are they fighting for? Those that are involved in them violence and them something, how them a benefit, ultimately, how are they benefiting? What them a fight for land? Them a fight for sovereignty? What are they fighting for? I mean, I get it. You know?
Them not really fight for nothing productive, really. They're not this thing to kill people and take people's life. I think that they have a very screwed up psychological disorders.
Yeah.
And I think that they need counseling. But not only them two, but a lot of the people, like on a worldwide scale, like small groups of people cause major chaos, just like in Jamaica, in these places. A very small number of people do all them stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Kill enough people, you know? And look on the world stage, Putin, and all those people. Like, these are just a small group of people that even a fraction them just a small, minute percentage of the population, and they cause major damage.
You know?
They cause major damage and they kill so many people. And if they only know the joy that they could bring instead of bringing pain and hatred,
I mean, on both sides. On both sides. Because what I love to know too, why does NATO have to be pushing to expand towards Russia's border? I mean, I want to know that. I would really love to know that. And if all of these scholars been saying for many years, I've been reading upon this thing, you know, again in recent times, and there have been scholars who attack from 94, 2000, 2015, several different what you call that now? Several different political scholars. They've been saying, you know, if NATO don't stop their expand to the east, there will be serious conflict, especially for Ukraine. They've been saying it for a long time. So based on that premise, why then do they choose to continue to go over that side? I mean, I love to know that. Yeah, so I say, guys, I can remember way back in the days when Russia did a link with Cuba. Yeah, that's what I mean. I say Cuba was ostracized. Even up to this day, sanctions are still being levied against Cuba. Yeah, that's what I mean. I say, I know actual war, but I like Cold War tactics, where they cripple the economy. Yeah, that's what I mean. I say, because the US did not want the Soviets so close to them. You understand what I mean? I say, so more want to know why NATO are going to decide to go and go over that side. More want to know why. That's my thing.
I think ultimately everybody's fighting for world power and world domination. And they've discovered that one particular man can't do it, but a group of people can. And they are just, it's basically 3 or probably 2 big old bullies in the world. And they might try to bully of each other. But separate and apart from that, you see over that part there, you see over the east, they are very communist and they are scary. And when you look on it over there, I don't know if me and the NATO power would have tried inch closer, put a few missiles over Ukraine, I don't know. So Guys, we need to live together. We need to live together. Like, there's no doubt about it. God made the world. He made all of us in it. And you can't bully nobody else because God make everybody to stand on their own foot and use their own brain and make decisions for themselves. And we need to stop trying to bully everybody. So separate and apart from that, we are going to St. Thomas.
Yeah, we have a bull beer this today now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a bull beer now,
and we
guys.
have fall again, another rainy day in St. T.
Yeah.
No, not St. T. St. T. St. T. St. T. Babe, can you buy me ice cream?
Yeah, I can. We can stop out. We're gonna pass there. We passed there already.
Where?
Out of that car there, so.
Oh. But we can go downtown
We
where it's
passed
nice.
already. We passed already.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, I think so.
We passed already, man.
But we can carry me downtown.
Alright, we stop downtown.
If you don't carry me to ice cream, I'm gonna be a bully.
Yeah, learn.
I'm learning.
Oh my
I'm
God.
just kidding. I like to coerce you in different ways. Not by bullying.
Hold on, let me see how it is. Hello?
They hacked my Amazon account. Yes, they hacked it. First of all, a couple months ago, I realized that I started getting some messages, emails about Amazon, confirming purchases and stuff like that. But it's always $0.
So when you click on one of them?
I opened one of them, but I didn't click any link. So I opened one of them.
Email and read it.
I opened the email and read it because I'm like, what is this? I didn't
So
make any purchases.
I
didn't fill out any form or anything, but I did open the email.
That's probably the reason why I think get swiped still.
But then I realized now that the other day I started getting a whole heap of spam messages, even though I'm still getting hundreds of spam messages within seconds. And then I realized that I go on Amazon and I'm preparing to get stuff for Kai because Kai's birthday is coming and I'm planning his birthday party. And I have all the stuff in the cart and Adrian was supposed to look through the cart so that I can make my final purchase. Going out to show Adrian the cart and the cart is empty. My Amazon's cart is cleared out.
Man, you guys, before going any further, the reason why we have to run back through the cart, guys, she have a tendency, you know.
No. Don't even let him. I'm not even going to let you slide with that one, okay?
Guys, she have a tendency to overdo things, you know. So, we tell her, say, anytime she make Amazon purchase, she will tell me cars.
That's not true. I don't overdo it, sir.
Lord,
I'm not overdo it, yeah. Listen to him. I do it, and I do it moderately, and I always do it with purpose. But I think him, along with a lot of other men, always think that whatever you're buying, it doesn't have a purpose. And it does. It has function and a role. And it's very important. Very, 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 very important. Anyways.
Guys, pardon the bumpy thing here.
Yeah, we're driving along the hillside.
Sorry.
So guys, we're going there and...
See that?
Yeah, see if I can show them.
Yeah, you can see. It's okay, go on.
So guys, we're going there and I'm just baffled as to how come my Amazon cart clear out, because up to the very day I was in the cart looking at items and looking at what I have in there, making sure that everything is on the P's and Q's and getting everything for Kai's party. I'm more order it now because I want to get it in time for his birthday. And the cart is empty and that pissed me off because how long I work on my cart. I've been working on that cart for a long time. And they emptied out, the bastards emptied out everything.
But them so full. Why them have empty out the cart? That now draw suspicion.
And then they stole my money. So I have, by way of gift certificate, I have a couple, I have money on my Amazon account because I got refunded and stuff like that. And when we take a stock, missy email coming confirming purchase of gift card. When we go in on my account, I 2 gift card, the people them buy already, one for $50, one for $35. Can you imagine? People them a clean me out for Amazon.
But really, I wonder if I want inside job that because guys, Cass is the one thing I gotta say about her. She's very, very careful when it come on to her online business. You get me? I say she don't even leave bank cards. Guys, she don't even leave bank card on the website more than stuff. She clear them off.
Thank God.
You
Because you
understand?
can imagine if you have bank card pan this with money pan it. They would
Guys,
have
even our email, all the password them for accounts and stuff, not even she know the password them because she, them so complex, not even she don't know them. So she have them put on elsewhere. So she very, sometimes I just say, you know, say I overdo it, man, just, you know, put in somewhere you can remember and whatever, but no.
Even my online banking, I do it in such a way that you can just go and just
swipe off your money
my
one
money.
time, true.
And the card that I use for purchases never have money on it. So probably that's the reason why they never even try to use the card, because the card probably them try to use the card, you know.
Maybe.
And the card have the money on it, because there was one card there, but I don't put money, I don't leave money on card that I use online.
Guys, you know what she do in terms of her her payroll account, her account where she get where money depend really. It's not linked to an electronic account.
Yeah.
So if you get access to that card, you're not getting no money. So I just the gift cards were there with them could have swipe.
And the people them a clean me out. If 1 minute come there, I save up my gift card and I say, boy, I'm gonna use this to pay for my pick the birthday things them. And them clear me out.
But me never know. I mean, up to now, I wonder if it's an inside job, somebody from Amazon get an account in front and do and use it.
And it was just a hard task.
How else would they be able to?
I'm gonna fill up personal details online. I don't share my accounts. I'm still puzzled and I'm still worried about my email address compromise. So I don't know, we have to go on and see.
Well, the email address was changed.
Yes.
Me make she change the email address. Me make the password for the email, I should say.
So we were very prompt.
We make she change the Amazon account password as well. So yeah, that was sorted out. But me just feel like say it's an inside job. Me just feel away there.
We were very prompt. Like when I saw the Amazon thing coming in my, but me never buy nothing for Amazon, so when them confirm whatever. So right away I went in and I saw the gift card. I'm like, and I saw it before. It's like it's a in process sending now. I'm there trying to stop it, and I couldn't stop it. There was no way for me to stop it. I was like sitting there in unbelief. I can't see people swiping off money off my Amazon card and I can't stop it.
You see the thing with them now? They make sure say them use gift cards where like you get the thing, the electronic thing immediately, you can redeem it fast.
Yes.
Then I purchase an item with a fish process and ship and deliver and all them something there. You know?
That is it.
But Amazon said them you did get to them.
I eventually got to them and they told me that they already flagged one of the purchases, that they flagged it for fraudulent purchase, which was very good. But the other one, they are just getting, you know, just basically
because
that's fraud too.
It was on the day. That one day they sit on the day, but the other one was like 2 days before.
Exactly. So I made a report. I'm awaiting Amazon to come to me and tell me, hey, I'm gonna get back my money. I'm hoping for that outcome. But guy, can you believe that them going on my account and them, first of all, them clear out my cart, and that pissed me off because I have all the stuff for Kyrie's party in there. And
go back and search again.
Yes, I'm going back through my Amazon history trying to see if I can get back the stuff that I had there before. But boy, it pissed me off that they did that, and then they stole my money. You little bastards, you little thief. You can't prosper. Sure, thief will never prosper. So I always hear, and that is so true. Guys, just look out for them people here. You them try to scam you in every way. They try to
emails, guys.
You. Yeah, be careful where you put your emails, and be careful what kind of email you open, what kind of link you follow. Be careful where you make purchases, how you put your cards online. That's why I put my banking information in such a way. You know what me do too? You see, when me I subscribe to anything online, like any form of paid purchase thing, it goes on a specific card. And when the time comes for the payment to be made, I have to send the money to the card. So you see, if me decide to me don't want that, or if there is a thing that they're going to charge me for multiple months and I never didn't realize, them get shaky because there's no money on the card. So like, I'm just super cautious when it comes to my money. So you know, it just really give me a little, you know, heads up, yo. Be careful what you're doing online. But how can what route do you go when you start getting these spam emails?
Only for spam email,
How do I correct it? Anybody know how to correct stuff like that?
You see, the thing is now, I think you can't correct it really because I guess people have access, people know your email address because your email address is not a secret, you know. So if them get a hold of your email address, them can always send you emails and a bots are do it, you know. And I like our man I sit down and do it, you know.
And I feel as if they targeted my email first, because here's why I said that. You spending multiple hundreds of spam email into my account, then when the email come for Amazon confirming the purchase, I wouldn't see it.
Oh,
the first big purchase, I didn't see that one.
Yeah, because it lasts among everything.
So
it's apply.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm just constantly trying to delete emails. Now, you know how much that? In the email, I tried delete emails when I saw the notification pop up on the top of the screen. When I see the email, you know, the top of the screen, I see the notification for Amazon purchase, and I'm like, what? And I touched it fast.
So them just send you a barrage, a flood of emails to open that you're gonna miss the one from Amazon that is telling you that a purchase was made.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think that they're targeting my account, my email address first, and then they target the Amazon account. Because the same email address that is on the Amazon. Yo, be careful out there. These people are just thieves, okay?
Thief, man.
Yeah, guys. So this is a update to our Amazon saga, or my Amazon saga.
Yeah.
So we're back in the car again. We are going somewhere else. We're always going somewhere. Always doing something. We are on the move again. Yeah. Anyways, so after scrambling and panicking over what happened with Amazon, I actually got through to Amazon. So I found a customer service number. I found a customer service number and I called them. After a very long process, I actually got through to a rep and they did help me in making a report on my account. We were told that they did flag one of the purchases that the scammer made. So the first purchase of $50, they actually flagged that as a fraudulent purchase before I reported it. But then afterwards, they made a report on all the purchases. I actually got an official communication from them. Well, actually about 3 official communications from them about it. They are investigating. I have not yet gotten back my money, but they are do it.
Because they said what, 2 to 3 days or something like that. They said the money will be refunded.
Yes.
So they acknowledged that fraudulent transaction go on. And all of that.
Yeah. And
you get me?
And I changed my password, stuff like that. But it's just so scary because I mean, they're asking this. If somebody called you and asked for your information, because apparently people are doing that now. But they have other ways because I'm Jamaican. That not gonna work. Yeah. But they have other ways of getting into your account and getting into your emails.
Right. So guys, we say in terms of securing your account, it's best to have at least like 2-factor authentication. So make sure say anytime you log in, anytime you want to access your account, it have more than one information. Like if you want to access your account from a new device, you have to log in with, you have to enter your phone number and get a text message to confirm. Where I said this for Amazon, for your Instagram,
your emails,
Facebook, your emails, of course. Emails very important. YouTube, if you're a YouTuber.
Yeah,
that's important.
It was kind of scary, especially when it came to my email. I said, but I put this email on so many things that so many people communicate with me through this email. So for me, it was kind of a drawback to say, okay, am I going to lose my email? Because I say, may I get enough spam emails, even currently.
Them flood you with spam so that they don't see what is going on. That's the strategy.
But you know, the funny thing though is that, you know, the amount of spam when we used to get, me not get so much again.
From Amazon clamp down on that, you don't get them the heap of spam there again.
Like, me still get spam, you know. Instead of probably 150 spam email messages, I'm getting like 15. So I'm still getting them, I'm still deleting them, but it's not as aggressive as before. And I guess because they don't have the account anymore, so they're now focused on trying to, you know, thief my money. Well, I mean, tell you, them thieves are wicked.
Yeah, man. So guys, these are the latest episode. I mean, if you're doing online business, I mean, if you have online accounts, you are at risk of these kind of things, you know what I mean? So secure account, guys. 2-factor authentication. Ensure you have complex passwords as well. You understand what I say? Allow what is good to like the iPhone, I don't know if the Androids are doing it as well, where them give some they auto-generate passwords for you. So you can auto-generate your password, and then you have some password apps as well that it generate password for you and it store them. So it's like a one login, and it just encrypt everything in a database. So I mean, these are all different ways that you can use to secure your account.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. We're turning in here. This is our current situation with my Amazon. So if you guys know of any solution to any of these problems, if you guys have ever experienced anything like this, if you know a tech expert, I could know in the comment section. Right? But this is it for now, guys. Remember to subscribe. Road to 50K by May, guys. We need a subscription. We needed to subscribe. Subscribe. Do I need to say it again? Subscribe. Right? And remember to turn on your post notification bell. Give me a big thumbs up.
Yeah, guys. We out, guys. Peace.
Bye.